Okay, surprisingly, volume is more simple. Okay, stare at it for a second. It looks complicated, yes? But it actually has less stuff. So now let's think about it for a second. This is a filled cylinder, right? So we were doing an outside sweep before, right? And we also did a height, correct? But we didn't do dr, that was moving in. We considered r to be constant. In this case, r is not constant. We still have to go from here all the way out. And this element still has to sweep. Agreed? So that means we are going to have a dr. We are also going to have a sweep. And we are also going to have a height component. What did we call the height? dz. So in our case, we have to find the volume element, which we call dv, which is going to be dr. What was the sweep always, guys? r d phi and dz. Now it has dr, d phi, and dz, correct? So that means it should have how many integrations? Done. So it will have 3 integrations. One will be over dr, one will be over, so I'm just going to move this over a little to give me a little bit more space. One will be over dr, one will be over d phi, and one will be over dz. What will be the limits for dr? 0 to r. What's the limit for phi? 0 to 2 pi. What's the limit for dz? 0 to 2 pi d phi, 0 to h d. And one of the really cool things about physics is that all of these integrations are independent of each other. So you can guarantee pretty much say r doesn't depend on phi, phi doesn't depend on h. So I'm not even going to worry about what probability could exist when one depends on the other. In multivariate calculus, there were times when you were doing this depends on this, so which one should I do first? This depends on that, which one should I? Physics, it's easy. They're all independent of each other. Good? So what's the answer? R squared by 2, 2 pi h. So the answer is pi r squared h. And on this side, it was just dv, correct? This is so cool. It's like literally 2 steps. And you never have to memorize those formulas again, ever. You can just derive them every single time.
Why would you want to?
Well, because it's fun. Yeah, because it's fun.
I already take a while.
It's always fun.